and welcome back, everybody. If your device's camera control button is not working and you're looking for fixes, in today's video we will be demonstrating how to do so. So let's get started without any delay. For that, the first thing we can do is we can try restarting our device. You can long press and hold your power button for that, and a menu appears on your screen. You can select the option of restart from the given menu, as sometimes a simple restart can resolve many temporary software glitches. Apart from that, what you can do is if you're using any kind of different applications, so if you're using any different applications, you can close it off completely and clear all of your recent application and wait for a certain minute, because if other apps are using the camera, it can cause it to malfunction. So you can close it up and use the camera or flash for the application that you're trying to use. Apart from that, you can clear camera apps cache. So you can press and hold the camera application for that and go over to the info section app info button. And once you are here, you can scroll down from the given options and go to storage and tap on it. And from here, go ahead and tap on clear cache and also clear data if necessary. Apart from that, check app permissions as well. So make sure the camera application has the permission to update. Go to settings for that. And from there, you can go to security and privacy. And from here, go to camera and ensure that your camera application has the permission to use it and is allowed to use it. Apart from that, sometimes you can just go over and clean the lenses as well. A dirty or smudged lens can interfere with the camera. You can use a soft microfiber cloth to clean it. And ensure that it does not have any physical obstructions as well, because sometimes that could cause the issues. So you can check it out. So that is it, everybody. You may try out the solutions for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.